Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the map sensor on the intake manifold on your Chevy Cruze. Now this one behind me is a 2014 model, 1.4 turbo. Now this will work for several of the years and most of the engines. Now as far as the map goes, it causes a wide range of problems such as running too rich or even too lean, excessive fuel consumption, hesitation or jerking when putting it into gear, or even stalling when trying to take off from a stop. Now I'm going to show you how to change the sensor. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's get to it. Alright, now if you can see that, I'm sure you can, this blue right here, that is our map sensor. Now of course we just have a generic plug, and we're just going to unplug it. Now usually, I think there's something else on this, but this intake manifold has been changed before. I'm not sure what they've done to it. It will take a T15, and it has one screw holding it in place. So remove that screw. We'll just pull it up and out. And for the new one, it's the one we're using. And holding the back side of it, we come in here, push it right down where it goes, pop the screw in, and we will tighten it down. Snug it down by hand. With the new one, make sure it's fully pressed in with that new seal. Come back, plug the harness back in, and you're good to go. Alright, there you have it. Map sensor for the intake manifold. Again, it's another one of these things on this car that's simple, easy to do yourself. No point in paying a lot of money. Have someone else do it when you can do it yourself. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.